How to fix Roblox resolution on any Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix your Roblox resolution easy and quick on any Android phone. First, scroll down until you find here. Scroll until you find this one, display and brightness. Click on it, and then scroll down until you find screen resolution. Click on it, and then just make it high. Maybe you will find it low, then just click high, and that's it. Or you can just click smart resolution if you want, and that's it. If you like this video, please don't forget like, and if that doesn't fix your problem, you can just restart your phone and change it again, and your problem will be fixed. And that's it. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.